7 unusual people suffering from rare and incurable diseases. Number 7. Jacqueline Rodriguez. Jacqueline Rodriguez, a 23-year-old from California, was born with an extremely rare condition called lymphatic malformation, which caused a large tumor on her cheek and tongue. The tumor is so substantial that it makes speaking and eating difficult for her, so she communicates through an iPad and eats via a formula feeding tube. Due to her unusual appearance, Jacqueline often faces harassment from those around her, which is deeply painful for her. Despite these challenges, Jacqueline dreams of studying nursing at Stanford University, and in her free time, she enjoys playing tennis and the guitar. Number 6. Kenny. Kenny suffers from a rare genetic disorder called Gardner syndrome, which has caused the formation of over 400 tumors throughout his body. He was diagnosed with this rare disease at the age of 8, a severe form of colon cancer. At the age of 9, Kenny underwent surgery to remove his large intestine, part of his small intestine, and his colon. Several such surgeries couldn't halt the aggressive growth of his tumors. Instead, they continued to grow as before. Despite his unusual physical condition, Kenny is a brave person who never hides and leads a self-sufficient life. Number 5. Dylan. Dylan is a child with a rare skin disease known as melanocytic nevus. This incurable disease causes large birthmarks that cover about 80% of his body. These birthmarks change in size and shape over time and are so severe that they increase the risk of developing serious types of skin cancer. Due to Dylan's unusual physical condition, the other children do not want to play with him and constantly bully him, yet he is a brave child who embraces himself. Number 4. Arbit. Arbit, a 19-year-old farm worker from India, was born with a rare condition called ectopia cordis. Due to this condition, his heart is located outside his chest cavity, causing him to face various adversities in everyday life. This birth defect has caused significant challenges throughout his life, requiring multiple surgeries to manage his condition. His condition is so rare that it affects only 8 out of every 1 million births. Despite these obstacles, Arbit continues to work on the farm and lead a relatively normal life. Number 3. Jay. 5-year-old Jay from Vancouver, USA was born with a rare condition known as arrhythmia, which caused the complete absence of his nose. This congenital abnormality also affects his vision, resulting in blindness. In everyday life, Jay faces a variety of physical adversities, including shortness of breath and potential feeding problems. Despite these challenges, Jay remains resilient and dreams of a healthy, bright future. Number 2. Arlen. Arlen is a man from California living with a rare disease called hidradenitis suppurativa. The disease has caused a cantaloupe-sized tumor on the back of his head. This painful skin condition leads to blisters and scars that leak fluid and emit a foul smell. For more than a decade, Arlen felt like a monk, avoiding social interactions due to the embarrassment and physical discomfort caused by the tumor. Fortunately, after years of searching for help, he underwent a successful surgery that significantly restored his health to a near-normal level. Number 1. Dawn. Dawn is a middle-aged woman who was born with a life-threatening facial tumor due to an unnamed rare disease. The tumor was surgically removed in her childhood, which caused facial deformity, leading to various challenges in her daily life. This condition made her a target of bullying, resulting in years of mental and emotional suffering. Anyway, she continues to overcome these challenges and loves to celebrate life by traveling and singing.